All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another workout, another day. Slowly but surely getting my groove back. And today we have some chest, back, and shoulders. So let's get into this first set. I'm doing 50 pounds on this incline bench press. I'm gonna try to get anywhere between 10 to like 15 reps. Let's go. Nice and smooth, nice and controlled. So I got 12 reps. I'm going to superset this with some lat pull downs. Again, I'm doing supersets just because I don't have much time in the gym. So I try to pick the exercises that I don't need much of a warm up with to kind of speed up the process in the gym. Not because I'm lazy, but just because I want to be there for, my lady, just in case she need help with the baby. The baby's doing a lot better now. She's growing. Her umbilical cord just fell out. So, yeah. Let's move on to these lat pull downs. What's the word, guys? What's the word? That was my workout for the day. I did chest, back, and shoulders. 2 chest exercises, 2 back exercises, and a shoulder exercise. I supersetted chest and back, and then I did shoulders at the end. I'm going to try to show you my meal prep process. It's just regular, like any bodybuilding YouTube channel you see. Of course, I'm not a bodybuilder, but this applies to everybody in everyday life, right? If you prep your food, you're more likely to eat the food that you prep, right? And not go out to eat and get tacos and fucking eat candy and shit like that. You feel what I'm saying? And this is a time where I have to be diligent with my meal prepping because with the newborn, you kind of skip meals or end up eating bullshit if you don't have your meals prepped because you're just so tired throughout the day. Yeah, guys, stick with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
What's the word, guys? What's the word? Welcome back. Welcome back. Today, meal prep. It's not meal prep Sunday, it's Monday. I just got all my times mixed up. I know you're wondering why am I wearing a hoodie inside the house? It feels comfortable and it's always cold in my apartment. Let's get straight into it. We got the chicken breast. Guys, I have not been meal prepping like I've been used to. I used to meal prep every Sunday. I just been getting a little lazy. I think it's just lack of sleep because of the baby. The baby is asleep right now, but she should be getting up for her bottle soon. And I'll show you guys her beautiful face in a few minutes if her mama allows me to. Get what I'm saying? But always clean your chicken. So it looks pretty clean, but butcher's hands. You don't want all that stuff, all they germs on it, even though they're supposed to be wearing gloves, but you just never know. What I like to do is get a big bowl. Big bowls out here. First thing I like to do, my brothers and sisters, is cut the chicken. Before I clean it, I just cut it up in like little dices. It just makes it easier to eat instead of just eating a whole big block of chicken breast. You feel what I'm saying? I just like to cut it up. This is not a cooking show or anything. This is just meal prepping 101. Get the meal prep. I have enough rice, I think, or I'm just gonna make a fresh batch. This little knife is not gonna do the job. I'm telling you right now. So I gotta find all the big knives. Where are all the big knives? I do not want to wake my lady up and ask her where the knife is. She's already been going through it with the baby. But get me. So let's cut these up in little dices. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm not no chef. I just cook because I gotta cook. At this point, though, I don't know if I'm saving money by cooking because everything is just so expensive, or I don't know. But I'm eating just because I need energy throughout the day and for my workouts. Again, I'm not like in a caloric deficit, which means I'm not trying to lose weight or gain weight. I was supposed to be on a bulk, but right now I'm just trying to eat clean, like eat my 4 or 5 meals a day. Whether I gain weight or lose weight, it doesn't really matter to me. As far as my workouts is going, I'm just trying to make it to the gym. I'm just trying to make it to the gym because I'll tell you guys, if you guys don't have kids, have kids is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful feeling. But in the beginning, you might be a little overwhelmed, a little bit disorient. I don't even know how to say the word, but a little out of control. You feel what I'm saying? Like you be a little bit out of control and you don't know what day is what. and you don't got nothing prepped, and the only thing you could do is give yourself some time, but try. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just trying. Just trying. I'm not scaling my food that much. I mean, I try to scale at least my breakfast and lunch. And then after that, I just try to eat whatever it is that is not like fast food or anything like that. Because I've been eating a lot of fast food lately just because it's quicker and I don't have to think about it. But I can't get caught up in that trap because, you know, me, I gain weight fast and I'm not gonna feel as good if I just eat fast food all day. It was Halloween, so of course I didn't buy candy, but my clients they came with a whole bunch of candy, and they felt like it was a good idea for me to have some of their candy, which I'm not mad at them, right? Because they come to me to lose weight and get in shape, so they're rather me gain weight instead of them, which is understandable. But I still gotta keep somewhat of an image, right? Since I'm a trainer. Um, I hate that I say that sometimes. Like sometimes people who first meet me, the first thing I say, yeah, I'm a personal trainer. Like, bro, they didn't ask you all that. They just asked you your name, bro. Gotta chill. Alright. Right now they in big cubes. And yes, I did wash my hands. Nobody having none of this chicken anyways, but my lady. Definitely gotta make sure. I don't like when my lady cuts the chicken anyways. The whole chicken away. Yeah, my beautiful baby girl's name is Sue Suhaila. Suhaila, don't get it wrong. Because that little girl already can fight. She be moving and kicking, fussing and screaming sometimes, but she's so sweet too. She already tries to give kisses. Well, I think she's trying to give a kiss or she's just looking for the bottle. I don't know. One of the two. Can't afford a medical bill, so I'm trying not to cut myself. Guys, you just put this in little pieces, throw it in, mix it all up. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I do, I definitely have to use a lime to clean the chicken, and I'm using some vinegar. You know what I'm saying? Clean the chicken out. Squeeze that bad boy in there. Make sure you squeeze the lime all over the chicken. And then save the rest of the lime for some other time. Sorry for the mess that I got back there too, guys. Like, I just come home from work and be throwing shit. Boom. And I add my vinegar. And then stay tuned for the secret sauce. The secret sauce. Boom. Okay. When the baby came, my mom came and prepped a bunch of seasoning. So this is like garlic and other stuff. I don't really know the secret recipe. She always shows me how to do it, but I always forget. And I kind of have to call or I just make my own thing up. But I usually like going 1 spoonful of this John. Make sure it still smells good. You don't need no stomach issues over here. I use my hands, get it all marinated in there. All marinated in there. Oh, Our chicken's not dry. That's the one thing y'all gotta know about meal prepping. Oh, I don't like eating the same things every day. It's because you're not trying to make your food tasty. Feel me? Sometimes it's not hard. The only thing you gotta do is try your best, look up some recipes. Chicken breast, ground beef, salmon, uh what else? We got ground turkey. Look up some recipes. And that'll be like your protein source. You feel what I'm saying? And then add your veggies and add carbs, depending if you want to lose weight. Add a Don't add that much carbs. If you want to gain weight, you gotta carb up and just manipulate that. And then protein always stays the same. Whether you want to lose weight or you want to gain weight, protein is always gonna stay the same. So the amount of chicken breast you're eating right now is the same amount I want you to eat when you're losing weight or whatever protein source you choose. But the only thing you're going to manipulate is the fats and the carbs, depending on whether you want to gain weight or lose weight, which can sound confusing right now, but I promise you guys, it's not that confusing. You just got to try. You just got to try. Just throw the chicken in there. I like that sound. I like that sound right there. Throw the chicken in there. You know what I'm saying? I need new pots and pans, y'all. So if y'all want to get me something for Christmas, send me that. New pots and pans. I'm on full dad mode. I need a grill, all types of shit. All types of shit that I never used to really get. Me right now, man. Full dad mode. We gonna cover this up and I'm gonna show y'all the results.